Everybody, welcome back to Smoke BBQs YouTube channel. We are doing a very simple, very easy cook today on the Asmoke with a whole chicken. It was on sale from the grocery store, and you know how I like sales. So I went ahead and picked it up. We're gonna do it today. Simple stuff, it doesn't have to be complicated. Don't make barbecue more complicated than it has to be. I think in life, we tend to try to do that. Don't do that. Tip for the day. Stay tuned, we're gonna watch this video and see how it tastes in the end. Thanks for watching, everybody. Coat this with that sprayer of olive oil to get a good base for the application of all the ingredients we have for this. It feels weird spraying this. I'm spraying Pam on it or something. Here we have a generic barbecue rub. A little rosemary. Sure, get some good stuff in the cavity as well. What is this here? We got some parsley. Nope, a little too much. That's okay. And last, a little bit of oregano. This is it. We're gonna cook it just this way. We could tuck the wings underneath. We have in the past, but I'm just gonna leave it out and see how it does on the Asmoke. There we go. I'm getting it on. Don't waste time. All right, this might be a mistake. I'm trying to do it one-handed while holding my camera. Oof, not bad. Again, this is the 350 Asmoke. I'm not sure if it would fit in the 300 with the vertical clearance, but it looks to be great. So we'll go ahead and get this going. We're cooking at 350, and trust me, people have mentioned before that they don't look like there's much smoke going on with this, but trust me, there is. You just can't see it right now. Close it down, and if you're not cooking, add more pellets. It will be good to go for this. It's been a couple minutes. Probably about 60. Yeah, looking pretty good. You'll note there's not much coloring going on with it. Kind of the same thing we noticed when we did the chicken wings, but it smells amazing. I haven't done a temp probe on this guy yet. The Asmoke does provide their own temperature probe, so you can put it in there and it'll tell you what it is. We might use that. I actually have the new meter probe. We might just use that too. Be easier to look at my phone, but looking pretty good. Probably temp it off camera and see how much farther we have to come. Still looking really good. Happy with how the cook's going. I'm going to attempt to rotate this with one hand. There we go. I noticed that back here was getting a little hotter than up here with the breast meat versus the thighs and the leg meat. I want to go and get that cooking more uniform throughout the rest of the cook. Make sure that's closed. That's good. Okay. And also want to not forget to show you, this is a little hot, so I'm using my glove to open it up. Here is the ashtray of the new Asmoke. All the ash is coming down, was going right down here and not clogging the inside chamber. So that's perfect. What we want for a hot cook of this length, because it's going to be a lot of ash buildup and would normally clog up the firebox or the fire. I'm forgetting the term, but like the firebox. It would clog that up, wouldn't let it cook, wouldn't let it burn. Not the case anymore. Good stuff. I'd say this is done. Good coloring as it turned out. I like it. I always do love carving into a good sliced or a good cooked bird. Oof, that just fell right out. Pause for the bird, who's doing a lament for this guy here. Gosh, those birds are so loud. All right, we'll talk through it. Okay, so what I liked here is you can see the skin is good and crispy. I like that a lot. It's good stuff. Now let's pull this guy off. Oof, that's a good cooked bird if you ask me. It's still got a lot of juice in there too. It's very tender. I like that. I'm probably just gonna slice this breast meat off of the whole carcass. I like to do this. I like to slice this off and then do them into like strips, like almost how you do burnt ends, to be honest. There we go. And yes, it is fully cooked. Looks absolutely beautiful. That's a moist bird there. Okay. Now the thing is, you can't do this correctly. You can't do this if you cook the skin too low in temperature, and it won't slice this way. So that's why I like doing this. You get everyone gets a good taste of the skin all around. Versus if you just did it, you carved it from the side here, this way. I like that a lot. Okay. I would try to get some dark meat down here, but I'm not sure if we'll be able to. It's still really hot, but I'm not gonna do a taste test with the sous chef. She's the one with the weather. She'll be okay by tomorrow. But this is really good. One last bite. We'll see how nice the bite through is on this. In all fairness, it wasn't as easily as the wing was, which again understandable. But if I was doing that normally at home, I would just probably put the whole thing in my mouth and eating it. Last one, try this. It's a very good bird. I'm happy that this turned out. Any questions about the Asmoke? I'll put some stuff down in the description about it. Check them out. The good bird. This took just over, I think, just about 2 hours to cook a whole bird. Is about 8 pounds, 7 pounds. Not too bad. At 350 degrees. Put it on. We'll set and forget it. I love it. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your day.